Yes, dear students, this is the second part of the video of Romeo Juliet. Okay, wherein in the first part we have found Romeo's feelings for Juliet. But in the second part, this poem is not a continuation. Two different extracts, two different parts of the play which are picked here and has put for your studies. In the annual exam, either they will ask you how describe the beauty of Romeo or describe the beauty of Juliet. How does Romeo describes Juliet or how does Juliet describes Romeo? These are the two main questions for 4 mark they'll ask you. So only these two parts are there very easily. If you prepare a summary on this, definitely you are going to have 1 4 mark answer on this. Okay, and go through each line for 1 mark answers. So in the second part, what we find is here Juliet is expressing her feelings for Romeo. What is her feeling? How she feels about Romeo. Juliet says, generally the lovers, as especially these two lovers who belong to the rivalry families of Montagues and Capulets, they are not allowed to meet each other. They are madly in love with each other. Even then, they were not allowed to meet. So that's why these both the lovers, Romeo and Juliet, they used to meet in the night, in the secret. They used to meet each other. That's why this lady, Juliet, was waiting whole day for the night to come, so that as soon as the night comes, when the night comes, Romeo will come to meet her. So that's why she don't like the day. In fact, she'll be all the day, she'll be eagerly waiting for the night to come. As soon as it is the night, Romeo will come to meet her. So that is beautifully described in this paragraph. Come night, come Romeo, come thou day in the night. Oh my come night, come. She's inviting, she's welcoming, she's eagerly waiting for the night to come. So that as the night comes, along with the night, the Romeo is going to come to her. Romeo is going to come to meet her. Come, Romeo. When the night comes, Romeo will come. Thou, when you come to meet me in the night, though it is night, but when you come, that night will become a day for me. The night will look more beautiful than the day when you come. So that's why, oh my Romeo, though you come in the night, but when you come, the night will become a day for me. You are, thou means you are a day in the night. Though you are like a day for me in the night. For thou will lie upon the wings of night. You know, when the night comes, night will bring you on its wings. Because when Romeo, she feels that, she imagines that the night brings Romeo on its wings. Okay, see, there is a personification, we can say. There is the lifeless night, but she feels as if there is a person. She describes it. Night brings on its wings to Romeo. For thou, for you, will lie upon the wings of night. Oh Romeo, you will be lying on the wings of night. You will come on the wings of night to meet me. So she's eagerly waiting for the night. You are, oh my Romeo, you know how you are? You are like a new snow, white snow. Okay, white snow, when it falls on a raven's back. A raven is a name of a bird, a large bird with the black shiny feather. When that large bird, which is very black and it has a very shining feathers, when the white snow falls on the raven, that bird, black bird, on its feathers, how it is going to shine, that white snow. Here, oh my Romeo, you are like a white snow. Remember, they will ask you who is compared to the white snow. Okay, the new snow. That white new snow is compared to Romeo, and it will you will be like a white snow on the raven's black, on the raven's feathers, on the raven's back. Okay, so you will be coming in the night on the wings of night like a white snow. The way it shines, you are like that. She expresses her love for Romeo. Come, gentle night. come loving a black broad night. Oh my night, she's eagerly waiting for the night. Oh night, you come gently, you bring so much of love with you. You have a black broad, you slowly crawlingly you come and you bring me my Romeo. Oh my love, oh my night, you are so gentle, you are so sweet, because the lover comes there. You are so sweet, you bring my lover, my love. You are so lovely, she loves the night. You are so lovely because you bring my love there in the night. Oh gentle night, you come, she's inviting, she's welcoming the night. Give me my Romeo when you come. Oh gentle night, oh lovely night, when you come, you bring my Romeo. You give me my Romeo, and when I die, definitely he is also going to die, because we love intensely to each other. When I die, definitely he will also die. He cannot live when I die. So when I die, you take my Romeo and take him and cut him into cut him out in little stars. You take my Romeo, you cut him into the little stars, you make him little stars, my Romeo. She is asking the night to cut his Romeo after her death. You cut my Romeo and make him little stars, and he will make a face of heaven. When he become a star in the sky looks so beautiful. He will make a face of heaven. We say sky looks like a heaven, and my Romeo, when he become the stars in the sky, he will become like a face of heaven. Who will become a face of heaven? They'll ask you the question. You should be in a position to answer that. Romeo will make the face of heaven, and that all the world will be in love with the night and pay no worship to the garish sun. And oh my gentle night, when the Romeo will become a star after I die, when he will become a star in the sky, and he will represent the face of heaven. And when he will represent the face of heaven there, the people will stop loving the garish sun. The people will stop loving the day where the sun will be burning all the day. People will start loving the night, which is so gentle, so sweet, and the night with the light of the moon. It is so lovely for her. She says, then when you become the face of heaven, oh my Romeo, then people will stop loving the day where there will be a garish, means burning sun all the day. People will start loving the night. People will fall in love with the night. So here Juliet expresses her feelings for Romeo, where all the day she'll be waiting for the night, because when the night comes, the night will bring on its wings to the Romeo. The gentle night, she is waiting. Bring me my love, bring me my Romeo, and give me my Romeo. And what is it? He is like a white new snow. Remember, he is compared to the white new snow. Okay, and snowy doe we come across in the first paragraph. She was like a snowy doe. Remember, snowy doe means white doe. It is Parivala antevalla. She in the first paragraph, snowy doe is compared to Juliet. In the second paragraph, new snow, white snow is compared to none other than Romeo. Be clear with this. One mark question they'll ask you. New snow he is compared to, which falls on the back of the raven. Back of the raven means a black bird, a big bird which has a very black shiny feathers. When new snow falls on the black feather, how it is going to shine, like that Romeo will come on the wings of night.
night will be dark. So on that night he will come like a light. You are like a day in the night. Though you come in the night, you are like a day for me. When you come, that is the day for me. So when you come, when I die, she says, when I die, take my Romeo. She tell the night, take my Romeo, cut him into small stars, and that stars will represent, when he will be in the sky, he will represent the face of heaven. One more question, who will represent the face of heaven? Romeo will represent the face of heaven, and when he will represent the face of heaven, he will become a star in the sky. Then people will stop loving the day, where all the day there will be a garish sun, burning sun. They will start loving the beautiful night. They'll start loving the lovely, gentle night. So this is the paragraph where Juliet's feelings for Romeo are beautifully described. These two paragraphs are in different situations, but one common thing is, on the first paragraph, Romeo tells his feelings about Juliet. In the second paragraph, Juliet tells or expresses her feelings for Romeo. This is we can say romantic tragedy, because towards the end we come to know that these both the lovers they were killed and they didn't get a chance to get united or get married, but they had an intense love for each other. Guys, this is a very sure question in the examination. Keep one summary ready for it. Okay, so with this we shall find out. Thank you. Hope it's clear. Still, if you have any doubts, you can send me the messages. We shall clear. Thank you.